Welcome to the channel. I'm David D. Sharp, master barber, educator, and the guy who actually tells the truth about this barber industry. If you're looking to level up your fade, sharpen your techniques, or get honest reviews on tools you spend your hard-earned money on, you're in the right place. I break down real haircut tutorials, test every tool inside a real barbershop, and talk about the mindset, professionalism, and habits that make or break barbers today. So if you're ready to elevate your fade, your craft, and your game, hit that subscribe button and join the movement. Stay sharp, and welcome to the family. What was that?
Stay sharp with the sharp. Oh yeah. Barber tools, day by day. Shotguns, nothing in the way. Stay sharp, come what may. Clippers, razors, scissors, too. The sharp knows just what to do. Product reviews, tried and true. Barber tools for me and